So guys, welcome to my another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to wish the Teddy Day for the programmers. So by the way, happy Teddy Day. And I want to make a file, so I want to make a Python file, and that can be teddy.py. so I'm making the Python file. After that, I have to use the Kinter. Means at first you have to install that means you have to install the module, that is Kinter. But if you have already installed that, then I will not say you to install. Means you have to just write here, like you have to get the cmd. Okay, now if install Kinter, install Kinter. So I'm installing Kinter. So I already installed the Kinter, so it will show that that everything is satisfied. Means enter. Okay, that's not a problem. I don't know. Now you have to install means Philo. You have to install the Philo module. Okay, you have to write that command, that install Philo w. Okay, then you have to run it out. Okay, by the way, I just completed, so I have to import Kinter. So from Kinter import star. Okay, now you have to import pip means pil from Philo module. So from pil import image, okay, comma image tk. Okay, now you have to create root, that is exactly tk. Sorry, oops. Okay, tk. Now you have to create the main loop, that is root dot main loop, and between this section we have to write the program. Like that we have to set the geometry, so you have to write root dot geometry, and you have to set the geometry scale. Like that I will taking 900 cross 800. Now run it out, and then you can check. Yeah, you are getting this type of window. That's a weak window, so you have to small it out like 700. Okay, it's looking good. Now you have to create the level, means you have to create, just try to see here. You can see that there is tk, but you have to change the name. So you have to write root dot title, and you have to write what you are going to show. So I'm just writing that Teddy. Okay, now you can see that Teddy. Okay, now you have to write something. So in that case you have to create the level. So I am creating the level like text1 and level. So what you have to write, you have to write happy Teddy Day. Okay, happy Teddy Day from code with Bongo Hriday. Now we have to fact the level like text1 dot fact. Okay, so you can check that there is a written, but you have to pick the font, and you have to write it in a colored letter. So FG means font color, means okay, so FG means font color. You have to sorry. Okay, so color like I'm just choosing red. Okay, you can check. Okay, that's red. FG means font color. Now BG means background color. I'm going to check it like gray. Okay, so I'm setting it onto gray. now you can check it's gray. Now I want to make the font large, so font, okay, so you have to make this. Now you can search on Google that Kinter fonts, okay, so you can search that Kinter fonts. So there is many type of the fonts, like if you go to the tutorial spot you can find many type of the fonts. So I am copying the font, like I am copying the font that is okay, and I'm pasting the font, okay. You can choose any type of the font, okay. After that you have to set the size. I am setting the size as 19, okay, and I want to make it bold, okay. So you can check that is bold and the font is big. By the way, I want to change the color into pink because pink is a interesting color, okay. So it's working. Now you have to make another label. At first you have to choose the photo, so I'm making the photo and image. You have to check the photo image, and then you have to take the file. So the file is teddy.png, that is here, okay. Now you have to create a new label. So I'm creating a new label, okay. So I'm creating a new label where image equal to photo that I'm choosing, okay. Now you have to fact it out. So div label dot fact, sorry, Control Z. So you have to fact it out. So you have to write the fact comment. Now you can run it out and you can check that the teddy is coming. So it's a simple project where you can use your beloved that happy teddy day in a long distance, okay. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll see you again on the next episode.